Comic Con Mumbai, how are you doing? Well, love the energy. This is my first time in Comic Con Mumbai, and I'm very excited to bring this amazing comic book and then eventually our film.
It's my first time at Comic Con Mumbai, but my journey with Comic Con actually started with this really amazing film called Bahubali. That was the first time that I got introduced to the loyal fans. I'm so happy Sid is doing this film because I think he is India's heartthrob, and he's just, be it millennials or Gen Zs, I cannot tell you the number of friends and friends' nieces that have called me.
Knee deep in romantasy right now, which is a whole different world again. For an escapist like me, I feel like this is what I want to keep going back to after a long day. Now there is sex and there is smart, but again it's so different because the universe is different. When she exclaims the god's name, she calls out is different. So you pick what degree works for you. Like I told you last time, dark romance is not something that works for me.
Yeah.
Romantasy, modern, contemporary romances are great.
Some of the other audiobooks that we can listen to get into the world of romance.
I love listening to romantasy. So Sarah J. Maas's A Coat of Thorns and Roses. Have you read that? Yes, thank God. A Coat of Thorns and Roses, all 5 books, amazing audiobooks. I think the Empyrean series has an audiobook too. Throne of Glass is great. I do also like the regular. Like I remember listening to. We've got the off-campus series coming up on Prime Video next week. Or 2 of the 3 books I've read on Audible. I've heard on Audible, and 1 I have on my Kindle. So everything, I think everything. And if you're like me who obsesses over stories, I think you should get an Audible version and a Kindle version at the same time, so you can
Yes.
keep switching between them if you can't stop reading.
Right here, this is MC Dhanush Devang. I've been hosting Comic Con for past 3 years. It's been a decade I've been beatboxing, and it's not about beatboxing world, but in every place I've been hosting for past 12 cities, meeting geeks out there from all the different cities, different cosplayers, and that's an amazing vibe.
Hi, my name is Amit Kandargaonkar, and I'm cosplaying as Lord Commander Dante from 40K. I made this costume in like a month. The main challenge was to get the size and the height right. And I think I've made it. It's purely handmade, and I've used EVA foam to give the bulk and everything. And I think it turned out pretty well. I spent 15,000 for this costume. I like the vibe here.
Hi, I'm Vayu. I'm 21 years old and I'm cosplaying Rio Reaper from Gachi Akata. Okay, my favorite part definitely has to be the scissors, if you can see it. It has LED lights inside of them, and I think it took me like 2.5-3 weeks to make the entire thing. So the most challenging part was definitely the scissors, like making it functional basically. So it moves. The wig styling was also a little bit difficult because I had to watch a lot of tutorials and make it. Basically, this is made out of cardboard. I glued all of it together, and then it has LED lights inside of it and a power bank. So you attach the lights to the power bank and then you can start it. I think it's a lovely event for anime fans. I think everyone should come and everyone should cosplay at least once because you get to see how much people love all of these things. So it also helps you with your confidence. I definitely think that we should be advertising this more, as in like, you know, people with money should probably know more about this so that they, you know, organize more events, because Comic Con right now is like the only big event that's happening.
Hi, my name is Shannon. I am Indri Cat's cosplay, and I'm cosplaying Evanescia from Honkai Star Rails. This costume I've made myself, like meaning with stuff I already had, and like also some props I put together, and I made the wig as well. Mostly about cosplaying here and coming and seeing any of the merchandise they have.
My name is Harish. The character I'm playing is Baragan from Bleach, and my age is 26. This took me 2 months. I had to stitch this dress, I had to make the axe, the accessories, everything. So it took 2 months. So this guy caught me off guard. He's a villain in one of the in Bleach series, and he's a super cool villain. My parents are not gonna like this. I think close to 20.
Hello, my name is Yash. I'm cosplaying Khal Drogo from Game of Thrones. I'm 28 years old. My inspiration would be the fact that my friends would keep telling me that I look like Khal Drogo, I should cosplay Khal Drogo, and here we are. Ghar pe only, nothing too special. Leather strips held together with glue. Fabric which I bought from Mangal Das. This was commissioned by a friend. He made it for me. I did the painting and the finishing.
Hello, my name is Pratik and I am playing Tomura Shigaraki from My Hero Academia. The part where villains are actually heroes, but the tragic story in their past they have. Because of the circumstances, they become villains. Otherwise, they would have become a different person altogether. I actually like villains more than heroes, so that's why I did Tomura Shigaraki. The shoes I just color painted the shoes. The hands are made of foam and tissue paper. Wig I bought it online, and t-shirt and pant I also had at home. The jacket I bought online. Approx 10 days, 2 to 3,000. Meeting new cosplayers, learning from them. I actually interact with a lot of cosplayers, talk to them. How do they make their cosplays? What can I learn from them and improve my future cosplays? This is my second time cosplaying. I actually liked a lot of people but from my verse, I can say I met a Bakugo. I really like this costume.